alkaline cucumber salad recipe. Hi everyone, Veronica here, and I'm back in the daily kitchen sharing how I make one of my favorite alkaline salads. This recipe is made with just a few simple ingredients and a quick 3-ingredient salad dressing. The salad ingredients you'll need include 1 medium cucumber, 1/4 cup sliced onion, a handful of fresh tomatoes such as cherry and Roma tomatoes, and 3 leaves of fresh romaine lettuce. For the dressing, you'll need 2 teaspoons rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon mustard, and 1 teaspoon mirin, which is optional if you're using a seasoned rice vinegar. To make this salad, first tear the romaine leaves into bite-sized pieces and place them into your serving bowl. Then chop your tomatoes into bite-sized pieces and add them into the bowl. Then thinly slice your onion and add to your salad. Lastly, cut the ends off the cucumber and slice it into thin slices. Add the cucumber to the salad and arrange nicely. Next, you'll sprinkle the dressing ingredients over the salad. I like to sprinkle with a little Redmond's real salt, which is optional. I'll share a link in the description below to this ingredient. Then pour 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar on top. Next, measure and pour mustard on top. Lastly, if you're using unseasoned rice vinegar and want a little sweetness, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of mirin. I like to use chopsticks to toss the salad ingredients together, but you can also place all of the ingredients into a container with a lid and simply shake well. This salad is great for taking to go. I like to enjoy this salad with a big bowl of miso soup. Check out the link in this video description for how to make the miso soup from paste. If you want to add some protein to the salad, add 1/2 cup of your favorite beans, tofu, or cooked tempeh. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for how to make an alkaline salad with cucumbers. Check out my alkaline meal prep playlist for more alkaline recipes and meal prep tips. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!